My refrigerator's humming and I'm trying to film. About to unplug my refrigerator. What's up guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is going to be a mukbang, mukboong. It doesn't matter what it's called. At this point, so many people call it so many things that I don't think anybody really knows what it's actually called. So don't try to correct me in the comments because I don't care what it's called. I don't care. Today I have Uber Eats McDonald's. So good. I honestly really love McDonald's, like for real. It's a bad habit of mine. So watch me be gluttonous. I almost thought they didn't give me a straw, but they did. Oof. I would have been like, give me my money back. And they didn't give me a straw. Ah! Yes, I love soda. So yeah, I'm just gonna be talking to you guys about how crazy my life is. Yo, McDonald's is mad good. You know what's really crazy is that I was just cleaning my kitchen when my food arrived and I didn't even wash my hands. I'm like eating a Windex and like scrubbing bubbles, but I don't care because the taste of the chicken nuggets is gonna drown it out, you know what I mean? McDonald's chicken nuggets are so good to me that I could eat them without sauce, for real. Why does everybody complain like, oh, I only got 2 barbecue sauces? I only need 1, so when they give me 2, I'm like, oh, how generous. I can save 1 so that if I ever forget one or Uber Eats forgets 1, I have 1 in the house. I moved from Maryland to Fayetteville, North Carolina. And Fayetteville is such a like country, middle of nowhere kind of town. When I got here, Uber Eats wasn't even here, y'all. And I think, and like what happened was after me being here for like 2 weeks, then they started Uber Eats in this area. And I think that's because God knew that I wouldn't be able to function in my everyday life without Uber Eats. So he blessed me with Uber Eats. I feel about Uber Eats the way that every Instagram model feels like Postmates. Like, I love it. The reason I always feel weird filming mukbangs, mukdukes is because I feel like eating, like talking with your mouth full is rude. I feel like that's so rude. And like talking to somebody while you're eating it, like this is rude to me. That's just what I was taught growing up. So I feel weird filming mukbangs. I feel weird because of that. And because I'd be like, what am I gonna talk about? But I always figure out something because it's just 1,000 things going on up here. In a few hours, I'm going to be heading to Maryland. I am, just to clear some things up. I'm from New York. My family's from New York. We moved to Maryland. So Maryland's like home for me. I'm from New York, but Maryland is home because that's where my family is and that's mostly where I grew up. But yeah, I'm going back home for the weekend. And here's the real tea, y'all. My fiance is the reason I am here in North Carolina. He's in the military and he got stationed here at Fort Bragg in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And we were both gonna be off this weekend, so we chose to go back home. You know, to go visit our family or whatever. And he finds out that he's gonna be off Friday. So he leaves a day early. He's making me travel by myself. Like, who does he think he is leaving me? Karma worked quick because he left me and went a day before me. And so he booked a round trip, but he booked his round trip wrong. So he has booked it coming back from Virginia, not coming back from Maryland. It's called Karma Paul, look it up. I'm so excited to go back home because there's a Six Flags in Maryland and it's literally 15 minutes from my parents' house. It feels weird to even say my parents' house because I literally lived there 3 months ago, but It's 15 minutes from my parents' house, and we go to Fright Fest every single year. It's a family tradition that my mom is trying to break this year for some reason. She's talking about, I don't know if I'm gonna go with y'all. Like, sis, you're not excited that I'm coming home? Like, let's do what I want to do. And if you're thinking, oh my God, you sound so spoiled, I am. See, this is another reason I don't know if I'm ready to do a mukbang, because I get really into my food. I like to like enjoy my food and like watch something fun while I eat. And I can't do that if I'm filming, but this is cool, I guess. You know what kind of mukbangs I love? Choice TV. First of all, Choice TV has been doing mukbang since before it was called a mukbang. Choice TV was eating in every single one of his videos, and he still does. And it was ill. Oh my God, why are you eating on camera? Why are you smacking? I hate that you eat when you talk, but now a mukbang is a thing, it's a trend. Like, Choice TV, Ben started that. Sorry, not sorry. Speaking of Choice TV, he uploaded a unpopular opinions video. So, it got me thinking. If I like ever did an unpopular opinion video, it would make people so mad. And so, I think I'm gonna do an unpopular opinion video. Y'all ever had one of these? Them boys hot.
Have y'all tried these? Boys hot.
I'm not a lamb. I said a lamb. What am I talking about? I'm not a sheep. I know just how bad McDonald's is for you. I know McDonald's is one of the worst things you can put in your body. I just don't care. I don't need nobody to tell me how bad McDonald's is for me. I know better than you do how bad this food is for me. I just love it. I need to get back on a filming schedule. I started a new job, so I was doing training hours, which was like 10 to 7 every day. So it was like I didn't really have time to film. I'm only off 2 days in the week, and I have like real life adult things to do. But now my schedule is about to even out because I'm done training. So I think I'm gonna start getting on a filming schedule, because although my channel is not that big, YouTube has become a source of income for me, and this is my dream job, like to be able to connect with people, have fun creating content that I like this is my dream job. So I'm gonna start taking it a little bit more seriously, because I feel like I could go far. I hope I see my best friend when I go home. But she lives so far from my parents' house. She gonna have to meet me halfway or something, because she always want me to go into her. And I know you're watching this. Meet me halfway, dummy. I don't have my glasses on, so my vision is like not that good right now. And I keep thinking I'm like seeing things, but really it's probably just the fact that I have an astigmatism and my eyes are bad. I'm freaking obsessed with these things. I have like spaces like in the back of my teeth. And so I always need these every time I eat anything. Oh, this is it right here. Oh my God, I'm literally out of breath and I just went upstairs. I want to hear what TV shows you guys like. Because me, personally, my favorite shows are RuPaul's Drag Race and Wildin' Out. I know it's like two separate things, but like I don't like scripted TV shows. Like I like reality TV, and yeah, like I like reality TV. Like I used to watch Love and Hip Hop when Cardi B was on it, because if y'all don't know, I've been a Cardi B fan since Cardi B was still a stripper. So when Cardi B got on Love and Hip Hop, before she was on Love and Hip Hop, I was like, Love and Hip Hop is mad whack. Who would ever watch? And then Cardi B got on Love and Hip Hop, and I was like, I love this show. So yeah, I used to watch Love and Hip Hop when Cardi was on it. Before and after she was on it, not interested. I like Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I like shows like that. Let me know what shows you guys think I should watch down below, because I just need more TV shows to watch. You know why I like the idea of mukbangs? because like, you know when you're eating, you just want to watch something, but like you might be kind of lonely, you want to like talk to somebody. That's what this is. I love YouTube. That's so sweet. But like, speaking of YouTube though, has anybody noticed that like videos about like anxiety have kind of become like a thing? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. As somebody who suffers from anxiety that literally will disable me from doing things, like I cannot even get out of the shower and go get in my bed, or like I can't even get dressed. I can't even leave my house because my anxiety is so bad. Like, it frustrates me when people try to relate when they can't, or like try to make light of it, or like, I don't know. I had a subscriber who commented on my video and said a lot of people get stressed out and call it anxiety when it's not anxiety, it's just stress. And I was like, I felt that, sis. Like, everything is not a panic attack. Like, and a panic attack and anxiety attack don't necessarily have to, like, that's not the same thing. Like, I don't know. My McDonald's has these little, like, pay to win things. And if I don't win something as much money as I spend at McDonald's, I'm gonna hurt somebody. I mean that. 50 entry tokens. There's some on my McNuggets too. I never call them McNuggets. I won a medium fries. That's so nice. Thank you, McDonald's. That's how people be when they get sponsorships. Oh my God, so Tarte sent me a package. Thanks, Tarte. You know what? No. The only YouTuber that actually really says thank you is Adeline Morin. I don't care. At me. Freaking comment down below if you think I'm wrong and we can argue about it. No YouTubers publicly say thank you for PR packages. They all just open the package and like they kind of promo it, but that's not saying thank you. Like, when I'm big enough to get PR packages and stuff, I'm gonna like publicly thank the companies that send me stuff, because there's people like me right now that like, we be in Sephora like, oh my God, makeup is so expensive, and these people are getting entire collections for free. They're getting sent every shade of the foundation. So you know what that means? That means they get their summer shade, their winter shade, a shade in the middle, a shade if they need a mix to make a foundation lighter, and a shade they can mix to make a foundation darker. All those other shades they can go away as gifts, presents for birthdays, Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Thanksgiving. There's people like me that pick up a foundation and go $60. I still have to film a video on the fact that my neighbors shot a bullet through my wall. So cool. Live fast, die young, right? But the issue is not still concluded, which is why I haven't really dove into it. It's a mess. My life is a mess. If this was an ASMR video, it would be gross, because I'm like chewing like I'm crazy. And you know what else is crazy? People that watch mukbang videos, and they're like, oh my God, the slurping noises, the chewing sounds. You know they're eating on camera, dummy. You knew that when you clicked on the video, right? I love McDonald's so much, seriously. If I could eat it every day and not die or be broke, I would, for real. I just got a crazy good idea, y'all. Why doesn't McDonald's sell like frozen chicken nuggets and french fries, like White Castle burgers? Why don't they do that? Honestly, I just came up with $1 million idea. Like, what? It's hard being a freaking mogul and thinking of everything. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed eating with me. I still have one nugget left, but I'm like full. I just can't right now. I just can't. If you guys enjoyed this mukbang, mukbook, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one and more videos not like this one. Let me know how you feel about these mukbang videos. I don't care if I just said it wrong. I don't care. Let me know how you feel about these, because I don't really know. And I'll see you next time.
Phone light, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain that's on your neck, I love